Do you know all car-related words that you need to drive? In today's video, I am teaching you car-related vocabulary and traffic-related vocabulary. Watch this video until the end to improve your vocabulary, your listening, and speaking skills. Let's get started with a quick round of what's this? What's this? Indicator or blinker. What's this? Good. A steering wheel. What's this? A dashboard. What's this? The glove compartment. What's this? The seat belt. That was an easy one. What's this? The rear view mirror. Okay, we need more here. What's this? That's the license plate. What's this? The headlights. What's this? The windshield. All right. What's this? The tire. By the way, this is the British spelling. This is the American spelling. What's this? The tail lights. Good. Now, let's continue. Let's watch this video and try to guess the missing words.
Good afternoon, sir. Do you know why I pulled you over?
I'm not entirely sure, officer. Was I speeding?
Yes, sir.
Let's watch again and see if you guessed properly.
Good afternoon, sir. Do you know why I pulled you over?
I'm not entirely sure, officer. Was I speeding?
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully now.
You were going 45 in a 30 miles per hour zone. Can I see your license and registration, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was going that fast. Here are my documents.
Thank you. Please be more mindful of the speed limit, especially in residential areas. I'll just issue a warning this time, but please slow down.
Thank you, officer. I appreciate it. I'll be more careful.
Let's see if you guessed properly.
You were going 45 in a 30 miles per hour zone. Can I see your license and registration, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was going that fast. Here are my documents.
Thank you. Please be more mindful of the speed limit, especially in residential areas. I'll just issue a warning this time, but please slow down.
Thank you, officer. I appreciate it. I'll be more careful.
Now, listen carefully and answer the questions.
Good morning, sir. Do you know why I pulled you over today?
No, officer. What did I do?
I saw you using your mobile phone while driving. That's illegal and very dangerous.
I was just checking a message. I'm sorry.
Can I see your license and registration?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
Thank you. I'm going to have to issue you a ticket for this offense.
Why did the driver get pulled over? Because he was using his cell phone. What did the police officer do? She issued him a ticket. She gave him a ticket.
All right. Now watch this reel and learn some new words. Ma'am, this is a dead end. A dead end, officer? That doesn't sound good. This street has no exit. You need to make a U-turn. A U-turn, like the letter U, you need to turn around. And you, follow for more. Honey, buckle up. Buckle up? Your seatbelt? Fasten your seatbelt. Okay. Buckle up. Let's watch another one. Yalla, come.
What, back up?
Yes, back up.
Okay.
Move the circle to the left.
Turn the steering wheel.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Turn the steering wheel. Start.
You mean stop?
You touch the walking part of the street?
Oh, I hit the curb?
Yes, you hit the curb.
Well, that's better than the car. Habibi.
Follow for more. By the way, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Now, can you guess the verbs? What am I gonna do now? I started the car. What am I doing? Good. Recline the seat. Yeah, recline. Time to improve your speaking. You are going to read B.
At the Bodyshop. Hello, how can I help you? Welcome back. Let me check the status of your car. Can I have your name and the make of your vehicle? We had quite a bit of work to do on it. We had to fix a dent on the driver's side door and also repair a scratch on the hood. Let me go grab the keys for you so you can see the final result. You'll be impressed with the transformation. Let me check the invoice for you. The total cost comes to $850. It was our pleasure. Drive safely, and remember, we are here if you ever need us again. Goodbye. Take care and have a great day.
One more thing. Usually I would say, I'm taking this baby for a spin. It means I'm gonna drive around. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to drive in Germany because my driving license is not international. But I am taking lessons these days and I'm going to take the test pretty soon. So wish me luck. And hopefully I'm going to get my driving license pretty soon. And next time we can make a video in traffic and I can show you more. In my next video, I'm teaching you English on the road. This was my trip to Italy. So go ahead and watch it here.